Good morning, dear students. I am very glad to have a chance to speak to you again. Now, we all are having difficulties beyond our wishes because of the little microbe which is called COVID-19. It is the most little microbe which can be seen only through microscope. It is a bad disease, but we must win this bad disease. We can only win this bad disease by following the rules, by keeping strict discipline. Dear boys and girls, please obey your parents. Stay at home, save your lives. Well, now we are going to have a new lesson. During this lesson, you will be able to enrich your vocabulary, to practice the use of the new words in oral speech, to develop your reading and speaking skills, to learn some facts from the life of Charles Dickens. Now, dear students, listen to me attentively and try to answer some questions, please. Which English writers do you know? Well, have you ever read any books by English writers? Good. Do you know Charles Dickens? Have you ever read any books by Charles Dickens? Now, look at the picture, please. Here is a portrait of Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens was the greatest and the most popular writer of the 19th century. His novels were translated into many languages. Now, dear students, open your books at page 291. Here is a text about the childhood and the youth of Charles Dickens. Please read the text. Well, did you finish reading the text? Are you able to discuss it with me? Good. Let's begin discussing it. What is the text about? Why didn't he like to take part in noisy games? Good. The next question. What happened at the age of 6? Good. The next. Why did he decide to write a play of his own? Good. The next. What kind of life did they have in London? Was their life hard? Good. Why did he begin to earn his living at an early age? Good. What was his ambition? How did he get education? What else can you tell about Charles Dickens? Good. Now, in order to consolidate your knowledge on the text, I offer you to see this video about Charles Dickens' life. Well, dear students, your homework will be to read the text attentively, to put 15 questions on the text, to prepare it for written. Thank you. Goodbye.